Alright, this is a quick video on a remote key fob battery replacement on your Kia. This one is specifically for a Kia Sportage, but what you want to do is right here you see the little button that is to remove your mechanical key. Take that out. Take your screwdriver, and you can see right here, you can see the split. You want to get it between there, and you pry. They are very tight. Be careful not to bust it. Hear it pop. And you're probably going to need to get it and pry it around there to get it to really open. They are tight. That over. There she pops open. Here's your battery. It's kind of difficult to remove it while it's in here, so the best is to pop out your seal here with your board. There we go. Then you can pull it down a little, and then the battery should slide out for you. Just lost a button. These can fit very tight. You got to get behind that battery and give it a good little shove with your fingernail, which I don't have. And there you go. I'll have a link in the description to a new battery. But they use a Panasonic CR2032, which most aren't going to have the CR on there. It's just going to be 2032. And to install it, you're just going to slide her back in. Watch out you don't lose your little button like I did. And then just reassemble. The rubber seal sometimes makes you fight with it. And these are very tight going back on as well, which sometimes it will pop, sometimes it won't. You might have to set it down and give it a shove. There you hear it snap in, and we are done. Slide your key back in. That's all there's to it. There you go.